Hi everyone. We are going to use Play-doh to make our name and numbers. The first thing you want to do is grab a piece of paper and a pencil. Write your name on a piece of paper and your numbers on a piece of paper. You can choose to either do just your name or just your numbers, or you can do both. Once you have your name written on a piece of paper, you're going to use that to help you make your name out of Play-doh. Now I want you to grab your Play-Doh, take out a small piece to start, roll that small piece into a long line like this. It kind of looks like a snake. You're going to use that snake to make your Play-Doh into either a number or the letters of your name. And when you're done, you'll have either your numbers or you'll have your name like I have mine here. Have fun!